Hello. Welcome to Virgin Gold. Established in 1999, Virgin Gold Mining Corporation has grown very quickly to become one of the world's leading gold exploration and mining companies. Virgin Gold utilizes various offshore vehicles to facilitate its onshore business operations by having our headquarters based in Panama. This is one of our strategies that enables us to generate good revenue, pays tax-free dividend to our shareholders worldwide. Despite our tender age, Virgin Gold is definitely better structured and more prudently managed and financially viable than its peers, allowing it to optimally exploit any unforeseen volatility in the current financial market. With Virgin Gold being a global niche player, our long-term vision is to become an industry leader in gold mining, manufacturing, and trading sectors. We aim to achieve this through cooperation, joint ventures, partnerships, acquisitions, and exploration across all geographical locations. Virgin Gold aims to raise $3 to $5 billion of working capital through issuing new convertible preferred stocks to the global community within the next few years. Our corporate mission is to build a sustainable mining business that consistently delivers top earnings per share to stockholders while leading in terms of safety, environmental stewardship, and corporate responsibility. Going public remains our midterm priority. We foresee ourselves launching an IPO by year 2015 if the environment is conducive. It will be very interesting when this materializes, simply because millions of our private shareholders will hold public listed shares. Virgin Gold convertible preferred stockholders will be able to convert their shares into public traded common shares. The shares to which they currently subscribe with Virgin Gold will potentially appreciate several times over after the IPO. Our values and principles help us on our journey towards sustainable development. By living according to our defined corporate values, we can meet the current needs of our organization and stakeholders, thus protecting, sustaining, and enhancing human, natural, and financial capital for the future. Our 5 corporate values are: 1. People first. We respect every individual. We draw strength from equal opportunity and diversity, while also supporting personal growth and development. 2. Corporate citizenship. We are committed to the highest ethical and governance standards in the industry. 3. High performance culture. We are a result-oriented company, focusing relentlessly on delivering and executing high business objectives. We value innovation, adaptability, and accountability in executing against our business strategy. 4. Financial discipline. We will constantly be prudent with shareholders' money, hence discipline is central to our financial management philosophy. 5. Integrity. Above all, we are committed to integrity in all that we do, to our shareholders, partners, employees, society, and community, always and everywhere. The way we interact with our stakeholders is fundamental for our business and our success. We strive to act with integrity, responsibility, fairness, transparency, and discretion at all times in order to secure the trust of our stakeholders. We are bound by our 5 corporate governance principles, which are: 1. Complying with rules and regulations. We fully adhere to the principles and comply with the rules and regulations of any jurisdiction where we operate. 2. Our corporate governance policies. Our corporate governance policies and procedures are laid out in a series of documents governing the organization and management of Virgin Gold Mining Corporation. 3. Managing risk. Risk management is instrumental in ensuring a prudent and intelligent approach to risk-taking that appropriately balances risk and return and optimizes the allocation of capital throughout the corporation. 4. Committed to compliance. Compliance considerations are critically important when selecting employees, developing training tools, and defining processes and rules, and is a vital element of all our supervisory and control systems. And 5, rewarding excellence. We are committed to employing a compensation approach that rewards excellence, encourages personal contribution and professional growth, and aligns the employee's interests with those of Virgin Gold, thus motivating the creation of shareholder value. We produce gold at the cheapest cost and sell at the highest market price. This is Virgin Gold's one and only operational philosophy, which is understood by each of Virgin Gold's employees. At Virgin Gold, we are very prudent about production costs. We've been in operation since 1999 and have always been able to generate good profit regardless of gold price because of how we operate. We have never overcommitted our resources and never overestimated gold price rises. At times when we are limited by human capacity and capital resources, we achieve our targets through cooperation, joint ventures, stock swaps, stakeholdings, and other financial arrangements with local and senior mine operators. For our future operations, we are working our way into gold manufacturing and trading. South America has a strong, active, and prosperous gold mining industry, which is internationally recognized. Though opportunities abound, Virgin Gold has been cautious as always. Exploration costs are sky high, and the success rate is declining. These days, it costs an average of $50 to find each ounce of gold against $7.50 in today's money half a century ago. To increase its footprint and production capacity in South America, Virgin Gold is employing a strategy of cooperation and joint ventures with local mine operators through its offshore setups. Africa is a major gold producer, producing up to 30% of global production. South Africa was the leading gold producer for many decades until the Chinese recently took over. Virgin Gold, through its joint ventures with local mining companies, has considerable exposure in this part of the world where mining costs are relatively very low. In some places here, gold can still be produced at a cost of less than $200 per ounce, whereas the average global production cost for the past few years has been in the range of $400 per ounce and above. We are also currently involved with local mining companies to explore a number of possible mining sites in the African continent with the option for development and production in a few years' time. In the African continent, it is vital that we demonstrate our corporate responsibility leadership, especially with regards to environmental issues and developing the community where we plan to operate. For centuries, gold has been coveted for its unique blend of rarity, beauty, and near indestructibility. Nations have embraced gold as a store of wealth and a medium of international exchange. Individuals have sought to possess gold as insurance against the day-to-day uncertainties of paper money. In the past few years, gold has finally been treated as an asset class that investors must keep as part of their portfolios. Monetary authorities such as central banks and International Monetary Fund have long held gold in their reserves. As for private individuals, nobody is suggesting that one should put 100% of their assets into gold investment. A strategy of reserve diversification will normally provide a less volatile return than one based on a single asset. Most investment consultants suggest exposure ranging between 10 and 35%. The question is not why, but rather how and how much. Convertible preferred stock is a type of stock which has a conversion price named at its issuance so that it can be converted to a company's common stock at the set rate. Virgin Gold convertible preferred stock may be converted into common stock of the company when the company chooses to launch an initial public offering by paying 50% of the price difference between the subscription price of convertible preferred stock and the IPO share price. Virgin Gold convertible preferred stockholders are entitled to a fixed monthly dividend payment as agreed at the time of subscription. Dividend is paid in ounces of gold. Convertible preferred stockholders may also unsubscribe their shares by giving 45 days notice to the company for a full refund of the subscription amount. First of all, CPS stockholders get fixed monthly shareholder dividends. These are paid in ounces of gold, which are freely convertible into monetary value at the spot gold price. Next, CPS holders may transfer their shares to another willing buyer at a higher price than their initial subscription price, as Virgin Gold's share price will increase over time alongside the net asset value of the company. CPS holders are given capital and an interest-free account in which to hold paper gold up to 3 times their share subscription value. CPS holders may convert their shares into common stock when Virgin Gold chooses to go public. CPS holders may even enjoy other incentives for referring new shareholders to the company. Capital from new shareholders enables the company to engage in bigger and more profitable operations. Higher turnover and liquidity enables the company to reach the IPO stage faster than its original plan. And finally, CPS holders will not interfere with the company's operations and decision-making, thus giving the current management a free hand to achieve the company's short, medium, and long-term targets smoothly. Go to our website, www.vgmc.com. Click on Register, which is located at the top of the page. Fill out our online shareholder application form. Once your online application is accepted, your shareholder ID and login password will be emailed to you. This process normally takes a few minutes. You may start your transaction immediately. To subscribe for shares, you must top up your credit account. You may do so by 1. Requesting for an international wire transfer to us with a minimum amount of $10,000 US, or 2. Requesting for a local bank transfer to local agents, which is only available in certain countries, or 3. Arranging an internal credit transfer from other shareholders. Minimum share subscription is 1,000. Upon subscription, every shareholder will have their own gold account, credit account, and trading account. Every shareholder is then requested to submit their passport or ID card and proof of address online before their share certificate can be issued. There is no risk in subscribing to Virgin Gold convertible preferred stocks. First of all, CPS can be unsubscribed by giving the company prior notice of 45 days for a full refund. CPS holders are guaranteed monthly dividend payments, and provided gold remains at around $1,000 per ounce, CPS holders are expected to recover their investment within a year. Secondly, even if the gold price plummets, Virgin Gold will not face any difficulty in fulfilling its dividend payment obligation to CPS holders, as the dividend is paid in gold. The only difference is that CPS holders might have to wait longer to recover their initial investment, because when the gold price is low, the monetary value equivalent is also lower. The only possible risk of a shareholder is the company going bankrupt. However, a company the size of Virgin Gold, involved in gold exploration and mining, will never be liquidated unless there is a massive mismanagement. Our corporate values, governance policy, and structure ensure that decisions are evaluated and monitored at almost every level of this corporation. In fact, we have proved ourselves to be a rigorous and financially disciplined corporation over the past decade. There are a number of future challenges we need to address in the area of corporate responsibility, especially given the rapid shift in our asset base and growth in our employee population in coming years. Some key challenges, among others, are finding additional ways to engage our people and seeking new ways to progress toward our goal of zero accidents and zero out-of-compliance environmental events. Translating our commitment to corporate responsibility into concrete initiatives, operating metrics, and policies. Ensuring stakeholder engagement remains a fundamental and consistent part of how we operate. Building and maintaining a viable workforce that is well-trained, well-compensated, and well-motivated. Meeting these challenges will require the dedication and hard work of every Virgin Gold employee, and we are confident we will deliver on our commitments and fulfill our responsibility as we have always done.